If this is factored, then one of the factors is. Now, the only way to really answer that is to factor. Now, there's a 2, but we can't take a 2 out because this is not an even number. So we have to go through the process, the two-step process of first the diamond, then the grouping. So that's a negative 100x squared, 2 times 50, negative 15. Two numbers that multiply together to get 100, but add together to get negative 15x. Sorry, it's very likely 20x and 5x, which would give you the 100, but because one's a plus and one's a minus, and this is a negative, it has to be a negative 20. Now, x minus 20 is not a factor, even though some of you will try and convince me of that. You would be wrong. We need to write this out. 2x, we need to write out this equation essentially, but instead of 3 terms, we're going to use 4 terms. The first term is going to be the first term, the last term is going to be the last term. But the middle term, instead of a negative 15, we're using what we got from our diamond. Minus 20x plus 5x. And what we can do then is take out something from the first group and something from the second group. And if those things were flip-flopped, it's okay, it would still work. Taking out a 2x in this case here, leaving us with an x minus 10. We're coming over here, we're taking out a 5 plus 5. And we're left with an x minus 10. Okay? What these two terms have in common is the x minus 10. Okay, so we can remove that. X minus 10. And what's left when I remove an x minus 10 from here is this 2x. And when I remove this, I'm left with a plus 5. So it's a plus 5, not a minus 5. This then is our final answer.